So the Darwin Virtual Reality game is a game where you play as a god manager and you have to manage a situation like is unexpected, and you think about resilience, unexpected things, what things could happen, what are the issues in your situation. So it's a game where you, as a player, manage many resources at the same time, such as helicopters, boats, ambulance, firemen, and you try to solve the situation in the best way possible. So it can be like cost effective, but also safe and resilient. To play the game, you can use the concept cards to get advice and to train yourself. So you can use, for example, a concept cards to assess the situation before an accident, and you can also then use concept cards during the accident to decide how you manage the situation. You can also use concept cards later to assess what you did and to discuss what you could do better or different next time. When you play the game, you will have a scenario that is dynamic. So each scenario is different and based on what you do as a player. So as a player, you will be forced to think about what you didn't think, more or less. For example, a classic solution would be, if you don't think about costs, to use a lot of helicopters. But you could, in the scenario, trigger like extreme weather that prevent the helicopter to fly anymore. Then you will have to rethink about your situation and use something else. So the players will be anyone involved in a large crisis. So it could be someone at a hospital, someone like an helicopter pilot. So it's also for sure someone managing the situation. But the idea is, by playing the game, you will know a bit everything in such a situation. So you will be aware of what kind of tasks and roles exist. And you will understand a bit better the process in such situation. So if you are, for example, an ambulance driver, if someone asks you to do something, maybe you can understand a bit better why. And you can also suggest ideas or help for the situation.